While the new normal we've been dealing with has made common interaction challenging, we can't deny how much technology has helped bridge the gap. I mean, companies like Samsung are claiming an unprecedented 40% growth when compared to last year. So, I mean, it makes sense for any manufacturer to double down on this success and take their products a step further, or maybe a couple of steps actually. I'm sure you saw the teaser where the company calls out the most powerful Galaxy ever, but if you were thinking of a phone or tablet, I'd say you should think bigger. Meet the new Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360, the company's latest and greatest laptops, with one of these being more of a successor to one of my favorite products of 2020. Big thanks to Samsung for figuring out how to give us a private hands-on with the laptops and tell you more about it. With Diego Rivera on camera, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocket Now, and let's dive in. First of all, guys, quick disclaimer, we were only allowed an hour in this private venue, so keep a lookout for our full review coming soon to tell you more about impressions and our experience using them, etc. This video is more about telling you what they are and what makes them special. If anything, I can tell you that if you're currently shopping for a laptop, you might want to wait for these to launch because, at least in paper, they are pretty hot. Samsung claimed 4 core values to drive these products. Number 1 being ultra-portable design, incredible displays, next-level performance and battery, and then next-generation connectivity. There's a lot of ground to cover, so let's just begin in order. I mean, usually LG takes the cake for light computers with their Gram lineup, but that might actually change. Both variants come in 2 sizes, with the lightest 13-inch model being just around 2.3 pounds and the heaviest 15-inch model weighing 3 pounds. I mean, for context, the smaller variant is way lighter than the MacBook Air, and then the heaviest 15-inch model is lighter than the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Yes, I said 13, not even 16. Samsung is calling these the world's slimmest and lightest among high-performance laptops, and it shows. But wait, there's more. They're all mil-spec 810G certified against dust, humidity, temperature, and pressure extremes, drops, and most of the things you might think twice about before giving any of your kids a computer. Obviously, that doesn't mean all extremes, but it's a good peace of mind regardless. All models are 6000 series aluminum and come in color options that include Mystic Navy, Mystic Silver, or Mystic Bronze, though all varies based on model and region. Now, attention to detail even extends to the charger, which now uses gallium nitride to shrink the size to more of a smartphone charger footprint for boxes that include it, and it provides 65-watt fast charging through USB-C. As for differences, the Pro is more for those looking for all kinds of ports, like USB-C to Thunderbolt 4 to HDMI to microSD expansion and even USB-A. The Pro 360 sticks to a smaller, more denser footprint with a USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and microSD expansion. They both include full-size keyboards that are pretty responsive and quiet, but if you care about a numeric keypad, grab the 15-inch model on any of these variants. Also, think of the Galaxy Book Pro as an ultra-thin clamshell without a touchscreen, while the Pro 360 is more of a convertible with a touchscreen that includes a 360-degree hinge. As such, and following on what I loved about the Galaxy Book Flex that I reviewed last year, we have S Pen support. Now, there's no silo because, they're just too thin for it to fit, and also because Samsung chose to make it thicker and larger to improve ergonomics. What isn't different is the claims for incredible displays. Each machine brings a gorgeous Full HD AMOLED panel with support for P3 color gamut, a crazy 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, which is not common on laptops, less blue light emissions, and each offers modes to maximize settings based on what you're doing, and sound tuned by AKG that supports Dolby Atmos. As for performance, we have Intel's latest 11th generation chips matched by Intel's Xe graphics, and listen, I'm not going to bore you with specifics on why these chips are dramatically better than before in performance, graphics, and even endurance. I'll just link to my buddy David Kogan, the Unlocker, who has a complete walkthrough on why these are great for ultra-portable computers. There's even an intelligent performance manager included in software to help the machine adapt to your workloads. Other specifications include up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, again, depending on the model. Now, Samsung also claims that these are all-day machines, and probably an interesting metric is that you get up to 8 hours of endurance in just a 30-minute charge with that new charger, which is crazy. And as for connectivity, yes, you get the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1, but the major deal is that this is Samsung's first set of laptops that supports 5G. Now, you will have to pick your variant wisely though, as for example, the Pro 360 13-inch model has that being optional, and as for the case of the Pro, it's LTE optional. Now, when it comes to software, I mean, these machines are full of it. You have options for Windows 10 Home or Pro, but then you have a crazy amount of Samsung applications to fit into their ecosystem. As I expressed in my Galaxy Book Flex review, this software suite is the best way to take advantage of your Galaxy phone or tablet if you own one. But then Samsung also built in some extra tricks for the new normal, like intelligent noise canceling for video conferencing and a privacy key to lock everything off in case you want to make sure that the mic and the camera are off, because you know the lack of this can definitely go all wrong. There's also a privacy folder option, a privacy screen, and you can even use the webcam as a security camera in case anyone tried to access your computer. You can even track your devices using any of these computers as a SmartThings Find dashboard, again making the ecosystem more valuable to current Galaxy owners. If you're a fan, for example, of the Samsung Galaxy Note, think of the Pro 360 as the larger canvas you wanted with the same software benefits, though we'll go into more details whenever we get a chance to review these machines. To conclude for now, yes, this is what Samsung meant with its most powerful Galaxy. The Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360 begin pre-orders today, April 28th, with availability set for May 14th. Prices are also pretty aggressive, starting at $999 and going up to $1299 depending on whichever variant you pick, and each device is eligible for the optional Samsung Care Plus for extended warranty. So far, I can tell you that I have a lot of really good thoughts when it comes to these machines, but again, an hour is just too little to form an educated opinion. For detailed impressions on my experience with them, stay tuned for our full review coming very soon. Let us know what you think about the new Samsung Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360 in the comments down below. And while you're at it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on my personal handles to see me probably too impressed with how light these computers are. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.